copy a program, go to that program number 1. Yeah, so cursor up to that program number 1. Yeah, and now say you wanted to copy that to program number 3. So type in letter O, number 3, and then press F1. Now you've got a new program called number 3 that's a copy of that. Okay, so now when you press edit, it's automatically made that the current program. So we can play around with this now. So cursor down to the first ender block there, yeah. So press F1 is the start of it. Now cursor down and press F2. Now that's effectively what's kind of on your clipboard. If you now press end,
Sorry?
End, see the end button there?
Yeah, number N, November.
END,
Oh.
END, there, that's it, end. That takes you to the end of the program. Cursor down again, because it's not quite there. Yeah, now every time you press enter,
Oh,
yeah, and again, every time you do that, it puts it in. Now to stop it, just press undo. Yeah, now press home to take you to the top of the program. Try and get used to using home and end to quickly get to the top and the bottom of the program. So now come down and see that those top 2 lines. So cursor down just one, see it, press F1. Now come down again, press F2. Now go to the end again, so press end again just to take you to the end. And now press Alter. And that's your Alter key up the top there. Yeah, that's effectively, if you press the undo key now and press home to take you to the head of the program, that's effectively move that bit of code. Okay, but what you can also do, if you now go into your list program, so press list program and go into program 1, so yeah, and edit that. Right, now if you come down and say for example go down to the just above the T1, just above the T1, yeah, and press F1 and cursor down, keep going, and I'm going to copy the whole of that tool. Keep going down, and then just there, yeah, we'll press F2. Right, now go to list program, go to program number 3, yeah, select program, edit. Now if you press your end key to take you to the end of that program, now if you press input, yeah, everything in that program that you just took has gone from there, and that's where it's really useful. Just press undo just to undo that. Top right, yeah. And another one, if you want to delete a program, so all you do there is if you want to press that erase program key, so down there on the bottom right, yeah, erase program, yeah, and it will give you, do you want to delete program 3, and all you do is press Y or N. So if you press yes, that's gone. Now you can't get that back, it's gone forever, so there's no undo on that.